When you are coming from very many games without win, but I'm very happy for the boys. They did a very good job, and we are hoping that again on Sunday we are going to get another 3 points.
I must congratulate my boys. They did very well. I think their character, the spirit. I mean, we had even a chance to win this game because we managed to create a lot of chances in the second half. But again, we say we are grateful for the point. Though we really wanted 3 points, we were at home. But we are happy for the point.
I just believe we need to be more clinical in front of the goal. We created good chances, clear-cut chances, which I believe we could have buried them. And sometimes in football, if you don't bury your chances, they come to haunt you, and that's what has just happened in this game.